Here's FloralWhisper app, lovely language. So you can create stunning floral wallpapers, build bouquets in live videos, design with flower stickers, create lovely language with. So yeah, pretty interesting app. And then yeah, you can just install it here. And then you can just open it up. And there is a subscription here, but for example, some video or wallpaper. So for example, here's a wallpaper, and then here's how it will look like. So you can just create a nice wallpaper, and then also you can just add these stickers, whatever. And I don't know, like this app is just focused on the creating like flower wallpapers. So if you're just into the theme, you can just, try it. And then just save it here. So yeah, something like that. Also, you can create like videos and stuff. So yeah, that's the app. Try it out.